Hey, everyone, get ready for a fun phonics and reading. We will learn popular three-letter words with examples. Let's get started. Bag.
B-A-G. Bag.
Car.
C-A-R. Car.
Den.
D-E-N. Den.
Eel.
E-E-L. Eel.
Far.
F-A-R. Far.
Hog.
H-O-G. Hog.
Ice.
I-C-E. Ice.
Job.
J-O-B. Job.
Key.
K-E-Y. Key.
Lap.
L-A-P. Lap.
Mat.
M-A-T. Mat.
New.
N-E-W. New.
Odd.
O-D-D. Odd.
Rib.
R-I-B. Rib.
Sob.
S-O-B. Sob.
Toy.
T-O-Y. Toy.
Van.
V-A-N. Van.
Win.
W-I-N. Win.
Boy.
B-O-Y. Boy.
Cat.
C-A-T. Cat.
Dog.
D-O-G. Dog.
End.
E-N-D. End.
Fig.
F-I-G. Fig.
Hat.
H-A-T. Hat.
In.
I-N-N. In.
Joy.
J-O-Y. Joy.
Log.
L-O-G. Log.
Yap.
Y-A-P. Yap.
Aid.
A-I-D. Aid.
Bid.
B-I-D. Bid.
Cow.
C-O-W. Cow.
Do.
D-E-W. Do.
Elk.
E-L-K. Elk.
Fly.
F-L-Y. Fly.
Gap.
G-A-P. Gap.
Hip.
H-I-P. Hip.
Ink.
I-N-K. Ink.
Jaw.
J-A-W. Jaw.
Kit.
K-I-T. Kit.
Low.
L-O-W. Low.
Mix.
M-I-X. Mix.
Nap.
N-A-P. Nap.
Owl.
O-W-L. Owl.
Ray.
R-A-Y. Ray.
Sob.
S-O-B. Sob.
Tin.
T-I-N. Tin.
Use.
U-S-E. Use.
Vet.
V-E-T. Vet.
Wag.
W-A-G. Wag.
Yak.
Y-A-K. Yak.
Arm.
A-R-M. Arm.
Bus.
B-U-S. Bus.
Cop.
C-O-P. Cop.
Dot.
D-O-T. Dot.